How to change Facebook Marketplace location. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So go ahead and open your Facebook app. Once you're on the home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you will be directed here. Over here you can see my location is set to Kathmandu. If you want to change this location, click on that. Once you click on that, over here in the search bar, you can search your place by city, neighborhood or zip code. So let's search for any location that you want to set. I select this one and as you can see, it shows that location instantly. You'll have other options like suggested local radius that will show you listing from the general area or custom local radius. Once you have done that, click on apply and you will see you will be able to change your location in Facebook Marketplace just like that. And that's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.